Welcome back. Now, in this video, we want to talk about some of the basics of interactivity, and so that you understand very succinctly exactly what you're doing. Now, interactivity can be anything. You see markers or quizzes. It can be in the annotations area. It can be an interactive hotspot. It can be not only a marker, but a quiz or survey. And so these are ways that we can create a video, have the video actually get our audience to do something or look or interact something before the video actually continues. And basically we use that to our advantage to interact with our audience, either to move them where we want them to move or to get information from them. Now, there are two key connections to make when you start talking about interactivity. Number one, when we actually go through the custom production, we're going to produce a series of files. That series of files is going to come with HTML. That means then that we can then use that HTML to upload to a website. Now, the other thing is that when we create that video and we upload it to screencast.com, which is TechSmith's website that gives us the opportunity to use some of the features in our interactive video, that we can actually embed this code onto another website. Now, providing that we can understand and get the sizing right, in this case we see 1920 by 1080, we'd never embed at that size, but if we can embed into, for example, our WordPress website at a certain size, then that gives us a different dimension of these actual videos, and it gives us the opportunity to do a few different kinds of things, such as surveying and branching, that we might not have to do otherwise. And because our videos are going to be so specific in screencast videos, we can actually use them to help our clients tell us more about themselves so that we can serve them better. And we're going to get into that in another video. So again, the most important thing is that you can embed onto a WordPress site. That's what you want to do. Or you could take the files that are produced in the custom production settings and we can upload them to a server where we have HTML. So either way, we have access to place our interactive videos onto individual web pages where we can then use them according to our plans. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.